Bob Jarvis from Lewmar. I'm here to introduce one of our latest products. This is our take on the retracting thruster. As you see here, we have the lower part, the lower flange, which is cut and fitted into the V of the hull. And then once this is bonded in, we have another moulding, another GRP moulding, which is simply bolted with a gasket down on the flange. If you look underneath here, we have a paint and drive shaft here, and we have bronze framing here, and on the 185 version and the 250 and above, we have a new development, a twin blade hub. When we come on top here, we've got our tried and tested tunnel thruster motor, which we put on here. We've got an actuator, and the function height is adjusted by micro switches here. And to control the system, we've developed a new ICU control box, which we were also using on the tunnel thruster. This incorporates an intelligent circuit which tells us when the thruster is deployed. It also got a troubleshooting function in the form of LED lights. This will tell us, this will flash when we switch it on, and it will tell us when the thruster is deployed. And it also gives a function which tells us if there's any faults in the system, if there's a low battery or problems with the contactors. So this is, and we've got new function controllers. We've got the pads, and we've got the joysticks. It's just a new addition for the retracting thruster. It just gives us another feature and benefit for our tried and tested tunnel thrusters. So for more information, contact your area manager or call 1300 BLA Sales.